Good morning, Texans. Today is Friday, May 15th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. This time we'll honor our country with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now we'll observe our moment of silent reflection. Quick reminder, yearbook distribution. I had trouble with that word yesterday and I did it again today. Yearbook distribution will take place next Wednesday, May 20th. So be on the lookout for information about that this coming Sunday. I also sent some out last Sunday. Gives you all of the information you need to figure out yearbook distribution. Man. And so that will be on the west side of the building on Wednesday, May 20th. At the same time, seniors will return their Chromebooks, and so we need to make sure, seniors, that you get those Chromebooks in, get those accounts cleared before you graduate. And speaking of senior graduation, lots of info coming out. Sent out a big blast yesterday to senior students and families. If you are not receiving our senior email blast, please let Ms. Railsback or me know so that we can get you added to the list. Sometimes I know that when we send out a lot of stuff, sometimes parents block us and they don't remember that they blocked us. And so that causes you not to get the information. So double check and make sure. We've been sending out some information. We will be sending out more information in the near future via email. Make sure that you don't have us blocked and that you are on our list so that you can get all that information. Lots of details to come. And our school-wide awards programs, remember that is Night of Excellence for our underclassmen. That will air on, I think we're going to go YouTube, but we'll get you the link. We're going to put that out on May 21st. And then we will air Legacy Awards on Friday, May 22nd. That is our senior award ceremony. Both of those will be advanced recorded and available for you to view on those days. Those are all the announcements we have for today. Texans, have a great Friday, a wonderful weekend. And just remember, I love you, I miss you, and I'll look forward to seeing you again very soon.